Hey, in addition to my little video on winches, we get asked a lot of questions about winch handles. The first thing I want to point out to everybody is this is not a hammer. It's amazing how many people think this is a hammer and use it for bashing stuff, so that when you come to use the winch handle, it doesn't correctly fit in the winch. It does fit in there, and there's a little rotating square that locks it in place. That's what gets damaged if you use it as a hammer. So don't use it as a hammer, put it in, use it. I hate personally people leaving winch handles in. Whenever you finish with it, turn the little thing on the top and put it over in the pocket, which are littered all over sailboats. How's this over there? If you want to spin the camera, there you go, with another winch handle in there. That's where it lives. It does not live in there. It is not a hammer.